Hi, welcome to Shafimon.com. One more review video with Shafimon.com. I am Shafimon with you. Today I got a packet from AAB World Kuwait. Let me show what is there inside. It's a quite big packet. Wow, this is Sigma 105mm f1.4 DG HSM art lens. It's a full frame 105mm art lens. Let me keep it here and let me keep the bag back. Okay, let us open this one. How they set the things inside, what is the things inside, we will see this. And we will open this. As like all the art lenses, it is coming in a black padded pouch, which is very good pouch, which is strong pouch. And they have one more packet inside. Let us see what is here. We'll keep this as a side. And first we open and see the lens. Let's open. Wow. Wow, quite big lens. This is 105mm. It's not macro lens, it's 105mm block lens or 105mm prime lens. I think this is only one and only the lens in this series 105mm with 1.4 aperture. The aperture is 1.4, so it's very wide aperture. Sigma says this lens is a bokeh master, so they say it has a good bokeh rather than the other lenses. And the focal range, it's something between 85mm and 135mm. It is 105mm. So the people we are struggling in between 85 and 135, going front and back, this is the best lens, best series of the focal range for them. And the overall things about this lens, let me see what there inside again. Beautiful hood also. Oh, this hood look like the hood coming with the telephoto lenses. Of course, this is a kind of telephoto series. So this hood also like that. It's fiber, and they have a fixing screw here. Let me fix this one here. Okay, and let me keep this packet here. Okay, this is the lens. Let me open. The lens has a tripod collar. The lens is a bit heavy, so it should need a tripod collar. For example, if you are shooting with the low weight cameras like Sony and all, it's better to hold it in a tripod and shoot. This is very good for scene set shoots, and the tripod collar is a bit heavy. And also, if you want to remove the tripod collar, it's easy to remove with this screw. And the tripod collar has normal screw in. And also the lens has autofocus and manual switch only. This lens doesn't have image stabilization or optical stabilization. Usually Sigma Art series lenses, they are not bringing optical stabilization with the lens, with their prime series lenses. Why? Because the new high resolution cameras, which is coming with the image stabilization inside the camera, so they don't care about the stabilization inside the lens, which make a huge difference in pricing. And the overall look is bulky. It's heavy also. It's very heavy. And the front element is let me see, it's 95mm filter thread. The front element is 95mm filter thread. So if you want to fix a filter in the front, you need to buy the huge filters. It's 95mm filter thread. And I took this lens Nikon mount, so let me take a Nikon camera. This an entry level Nikon full frame camera, which is 610 body. And let me fix the lens on this, so we will see the real size of this lens with the body. Yes, this is the lens. you can see a huge, very bulky lens with the camera. If you're holding, it's like it feels like it's very strong and very heavy. Of course, the lens is made with special material which is protection from heat and extreme weather, and the front element is coated with the oil spill and all. So the entire construction for usually for all the art series construction, which is very good for this type of things, extreme weather and mass construction, it's made with a composition of the bush and all, it's rubber, and the inside is aluminum, and it's quite heavy also. It's nice lens looks. So this is all about the lens, and let me see the what is there inside the packet which they supply. This is a shoulder strap. It's a very good strap, very wide strap, and this strap is for the padded bag. So they have two straps inside, and they have one rubber ring. This rubber ring we can use if we are removing the collar, the tripod collar. We can fix this rubber ring, so it will compensate that channel. And the normal manual and warranty card inside, and there is one Allen key and two screws also. This Allen key and two screws, this is for the tripod collar. Why? Because if we fix the screws here, it will give a stopper. So this is for that. If you want to fix it, you can fix it, or just keep it as a side. So this is all about the packet which they are supplied together with this lens. And let me keep this back, and let me take this lens once again to show you. This is the overall size of this lens. It's quite heavy and well constructed, well built lens, an amazing piece of work, a special range which is in between 85 and 135 mm. Earlier Sigma has brought 185 mm 1.4 and 135 mm 1.8 lenses. Visit my website shafimon.com for the test reviews and results with this type of lenses, and I have all the series of Sigma lenses test reviews in my website. I will be posting all the test reviews in YouTube also. You can follow my YouTube Magic Hands 07, that is my channel. Subscribe me and share with your friends if you like this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.